Their birth is incredible and makes the marsupial stand apart from the rest of the mammals. When it is born, the baby is not completely formed. It's an embryo weighing a few grams that crawls up to its mother's pouch. It's blind and relies on instinct. Once in the pouch, the baby latches onto his mother's nipples and grows for a period of 5 to 8 months. Until the day it is ready to leave the pouch and discover the world. Shot in Washington Zoo, where a gorilla mother delivers her baby on her own.